Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about body class. So body class is something that you should have in your body tag. So this is the body tag and this is the line that you should have. What happens when you have body class? WordPress will automatically give some class if this line exists. So it will help you in the long run. So let's go and see our website. This is our website. A random title changed. So I have a crappy title right now. I'm gonna change that later. So if I click on the site and click on view page source, then you can see currently there is no extra class, because our body tag is simply empty. So I'm just going to copy this line of code, and I'm going to copy this line and I'm going to paste it over here. So you have to paste it in the body tag like this. So I'm going to save this one, and now I'm heading back to my website and uh, clicking the site again. And right now, if I click view page source, you can see there are some extra classes like home, blog, logged in, admin bar, no customer support. So these classes came from WordPress, and this came only because of this tag, this PHP body class. So without this tag, you won't be able to see these things. So these are necessary stuff that you should get. And this is similar thing that you can do in your post. Instead of body class, there will be post class in your post tag. So yeah, that is similar like this. So I hope you understand this, and I hope that you will use the PHP body class every time you have your body tag. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.